How to use Instagram Reels features on Android. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, on the Instagram application on your device over here and make sure you are logged into your account. Now tap on the plus icon at the bottom of the screen and simply tap on the Reels section. And as you tap on the Reels section, you can simply click on any reel that you want to put. So I'm going to select on a particular one over here for now. And here what you can simply do is you can edit your reel. So you can simply tap on the music icon if you want to add any sort of music, add text, filters, voiceovers, or any other clips over here. So as you're done with it, you can simply tap on next and you can add captions, you can add or tag people and so on, and you'll be able to put on your Instagram reel through your Android. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notifications. See you next time.